For one file you need transcribed now. Use the Fast Transcription API. For thousands of files overnight, use batch transcription. This is for engineers wiring Azure AI Speech into real pipelines. The Fast API returns a full transcript synchronously, faster than real-time, in a single HTTP call. No polling, no storage account, no job orchestration. 3 things today. First, where the Fast Transcription API wins and where it hurts. Second, how batch transcription scales for volume. Third, speaker diarization on both, which tells you who said what. One of these has a gotcha that quietly breaks large jobs. I'll flag it 2 scenes from now. You post the audio file directly in a multipart request. The response carries the full transcript in seconds. No blob storage, no ZES tokens, no job IDs to track. That makes it ideal for a voice note or a support call you process on demand. The limits: 1 file per call, up to 2 hours and about 200 megabytes. Check current docs, these numbers move. Batch transcription is asynchronous. You upload audio to blob storage, then submit a job pointing at those URLs. Azure processes them in the background and writes results back. Here's the gotcha. Fast API has no fan-out. Loop it over 10,000 files and you'll hit throttling and serial latency. Batch handles that volume in one job, cheaper per hour, with no code managing concurrency. Both APIs support speaker diarization. Enable it and each phrase comes tagged with a speaker number. You don't pre-declare exact speakers. You set a maximum count. Diarization needs single-channel audio to separate voices by acoustics. If your recording already has separate channels per speaker, use channel-based splitting instead. Mixing both confuses the model and degrades labels. Here's the Fast API with diarization in Python. The definition JSON turns on diarization and caps speakers at 4. You post the audio and definition as multipart parts. The response gives phrases, each with a speaker label and text. That's the entire pipeline for a single file, no orchestration. For volume, wire it end-to-end. Files land in blob storage and trigger a function. The function submits a batch transcription job, then writes diarized results back to storage. Event-driven, no servers polling, scales with your upload rate. Use this shape when nightly backlogs matter more than instant results. The rule of thumb: interactive and single file goes Fast API. Scheduled, high volume goes batch. Both give you diarized, speaker-tagged transcripts with the same models. Feed diarization single-channel audio, or your speaker labels get muddy. Prices and file limits shift, so confirm against current Azure docs before you commit. Grab the code from the link and try both on one sample file. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.